should focus now and get you the details that are now coming in of a major train accident that has been reported near Siliguri in West Bengal, where a goods train rammed into the Sialdah-bound Kanchenjunga Express. Two coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express got derailed. The incident took place right after the train left New Jalpaiguri station this morning. Several passengers are feared to be trapped inside. Rescue operations that have been taking place. What we are told, the DM, the SP and the rescue teams have been rushed to the spot. The Chief Minister too has also expressed concerns regarding this train accident that has been reported. What is being said, the collision resulted in a lot of damage to at least 3 rear coaches of the passenger train. And however, we are still getting updates on this train accident that was reported when a freight train collided with the station Kanchenjunga Express from behind. Further information on part of the railway officials is expected as the relief and the rescue operations, however, continue. So at least 2 coaches of the express train has been derailed. This is the Kolkata-bound Kanchenjunga Express train that was hit by a goods train in Bengal's Siliguri. The pictures that are coming on your screens are of the derailment of this accident that has been reported. What is being said, the action is taking place on war footing as far as the rescue and relief operations are concerned. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also given a statement. Let me go across to Adrija now for a quick update. Adrija, how did this accident happen? What is the situation as of now with regards to the relief and rescue work?
Well, you see, the accident have taken place with a goods train and the Kanchenjunga Express that was coming back towards Kolkata, and the goods train allegedly have hit the train from behind, the Kanchenjunga Express from behind. 2 compartments hence have been affected by this hit. This have taken place in a district in Darjeeling itself, and the police have reached the location. The rescue operation is on. Several people have been injured in this accident that has taken place, but as of now, no casualties have been reported. Mamata Banerjee have also come ahead and released a statement expressing her, sympathy with the people where this incident have taken place. But from what we are getting to know, the goods train have hit the Kanchenjunga Express from behind, and therefore 2 compartments have been affected in this matter.
Well, as far as the pictures show, Adrija, there seems to be a severe damage that has been caused because of the collision and the impact of the collision. How are the rescue works taking place on ground? We are told that people are being rescued, many of them who are feared to be trapped.
Well, yes, the administration has reached, the police have reached at the location, and they are carrying out the rescue operation, and several people have been reported to be injured, but as of now, according to the officials, no casualties have been reported, which is a good news. However, several people have been are trapped inside, and the rescue operation is going on at the moment. The police and the administration is present, and they are carrying out the rescue operation in order to ensure that everyone is brought out safely from that particular area and given medical assistance, whatever, as soon as needed.
All right. As far as the Chief Minister herself is concerned, Mamata Banerjee saying that she is shocked to learn about the tragic train accident. Let me take that to Pratibha, who will help us understand the Chief Minister's statement. Yes, Pratibha.
Yes, the first visuals have started coming in. 2 coaches have derailed, several passengers said to be trapped. Amita, let me take you to the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's tweet. She said she's shocked to learn just now about a tragic accident in Darjeeling district. While details are awaited, Kanchenjunga Express has reportedly been hit by a goods train. DM, SP, doctors, ambulances and disaster teams have been rushed to the site for rescue, recovery and medical assistance. Action on war footing initiated. This is the tweet that came in at about 10 a.m.
All right. That is the Chief Minister there giving the assurance that when it comes to the DM, the SP, the doctors, ambulances, disaster teams, all of them have been rushed to the site for rescue, recovery and also medical assistance. Action that is initiated on war footing. But Adrija, coming back to you on that, because we are still looking at the teams there. The people have also been surrounding the area. Of course, the locals would have reached immediately to help the people in distress. But is there any information forthwith coming on how this accident actually took place?
Well, you see, the accident have taken place just a couple of hours ago, and what we are getting to know that the correlation have taken place between the Kanchenjunga Express that was en route towards Kolkata, Shialda station, and the goods train that was also coming on the same direction. And the goods train have collided with the Kanchenjunga Express from behind the train, and therefore the last two compartments has been, severely affected, and people in the last two compartments are trapped inside. The rescue operation is going on to ensure that they are brought out properly and given proper medical assistance as whatever is needed. But exactly how this happened, how the two trains collided with each other, that report will only be coming out after the preliminary investigation. But as of now, from what we know, that the train has collided from behind. The goods train have collided with the Kanchenjunga Express from behind, and therefore the last two compartments have been affected.